Today we are going to see the 4 types of sentences. Number 1, assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Number 2, exclamatory sentence. Number 3, interrogative sentence. And number 4, imperative sentence. The first type of sentence is assertive sentence or declarative sentence. This sentence makes a statement. It ends with a period or a full stop. Some examples of assertive sentences are: this is a YouTube channel. I am hungry. You must do this. English is very easy. We are Indians. There is a library. They are enjoying the party. Some negative sentences are: he is not fit for the match. I don't like chocolates. Sonu doesn't play chess. They haven't played well. So these were some examples of assertive sentence. The second type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. It shows strong feelings, the feelings of emotions, of happiness, sadness, surprise, etc. It always ends with an exclamation mark. It always ends with an exclamation mark. Some examples are: how pretty you are. What a nice shot. Great. What pity. What a bright sunny day. Congratulations. Hooray. Wow. Ouch. Awesome. The third type of sentences is interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It always ends with a question mark. Some examples of interrogative sentences are: do you watch TV? What is your name? Will you join me? Can you swim? There is a garden. When do you study? Some negative sentences: don't you know him? Are you not coming with me? Remember, these sentences need some answers, or some answers are expected from such type of sentences. The fourth type of sentences is imperative sentence. It gives a command, order, or makes a request. It ends with a full stop or sometimes exclamation mark. Some examples are: watch this video please. Read newspaper daily. Be responsible. Think before speaking. Wait for me. Follow the traffic rules. Come in please. Share it please. Some negative sentences: don't go there. Don't hesitate. Don't share your password. Don't call me please. Don't be rude. These sentences always start with the main verb, and the negative sentences start with don't, because here the subject is always the second person, you. Maybe plural or maybe singular. So these are some 4 types of sentences.